Welcome to North Star. The major objective of budgeting. Let's look at what is the most important objectives of budgeting. Budgeting is a coordinated effort. It's a well thought out plan by different departments of the company which are unified or coordinated and prepared or converted into a master budget. Preparation of master budget is not possible unless all the different divisions and departments come together, communicate and coordinate with each other. Example, a sales team may come up with a sales budget, but unless production team produces those many units, the sales team may not be able to achieve its sales target. Similarly, to manufacture the desired number of units, there has to be a purchase or inventory of those many units which are required for the production. So there has to be a coordination of sales, production, consumption, purchase, and of course the cash budget. Company must have allocated the requisite amount of cash. So the most important objective of preparation of budget is to provoke the thought process, plan for the future, and ensure that there is a proper coordination and communication among all the stakeholders in the company. So let's look at option. But before that, one very important point, budget is not prepared to create a blame game scenario. It is not the objective of budgeting to pass on the blames. It is to promote coordination, to promote proper communication, and to promote goal congruence. Let's look at these options. The first one, foster the planning of operations, encourage the planning of operations or promote the planning of operations, provide a framework for performance evaluation, provide targets, budget targets. If company has achieved, it becomes a very basis or quantitative basis for performance evaluation. So this point is correct. And promote communication and coordination among the organizational segments. Like I said, the very fundamental objective is to promote coordination and communication amongst different segments in the company or amongst different departments. So A looks like a correct answer. But let's look at other options as well. Foster the planning of operation, facilitate identification of blame for the missed budget. Like I mentioned, this is not the objective of budgeting. Option number C, define responsibility centers, provide a framework for performance evaluation. The first point only says that this is not one of the correct options because budget does not define responsibility centers. The last option, define responsibility centers, facilitate the identification of blame for the missed budget. The first point says define responsibility centers, which budget does not do. And second, blame game. Blame game is not the core objectives of budgeting. So the correct answer would be option number A.